Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove the text box background in Zoho Writer. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Zoho Writer document. We can see here a text box. Now I am select this and select the setting or the text box option. Then go to the text box option. Now we want to remove the background, select the background option and select none. Now we can see we remove the background easily. Otherwise you can add color or add picture from this background. You can add upload picture on your device. Now we can see we add a image of background. You can remove this, select this none option. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.